Who among the following Indian journalists won the Pulitzer Prize 2026? Correct answer is option A. R.K. Anand and Suparna Sharma. Who was honored with the ninth M.S. Swaminathan Award for contributions to climate resilient agriculture? Correct answer is option A. Dr. C.H. Srinivas Rao. Who has been named the South Asia Regional winner of the Cambridge Dedicated Teacher Awards 2026? Correct answer is option A. Soma Mandal. Who among the following won the Whiteley Award 2026 for conservation work? Correct answer is option B. Parveen Sheikh. Which municipal corporation won the GEM Awards 2026 in Vienna for deploying more than 200 women as e-auto drivers for waste collection? Correct answer is option D. Guntur Municipal Corporation. Who won the World Archery Para Archer of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option A. Sheetal Devi. Which Indian initiative has been selected as a nominee for the WSIS Prizes 2026 in the Enabling Environment category? Correct answer is option A. Samriddh Gramin Initiative. Who was honored with the WWF National Award for developing an AI-based conservation app? Correct answer is option B. N. Alim Yusuf. Who has been named the Harvard South Asian Person of the Year 2026? Correct answer is option D. Sayani Gupta. Who was crowned Femina Miss India World 2026? Correct answer is option B. Sadhvi Satish Sail. Who won the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year Award 2026? Correct answer is option C. Carlos Alcaraz. Who received the Lifetime Achievement Award at the International Film Festival of Delhi 2026? Correct answer is option A. Nandamuri Balakrishna. Who received the Women Empowerment Trailblazer Award at the BRICS Summit 2026 held in New Delhi? Correct answer is option C. Kalpana Soren. For the first time in the history, all six winners of the Goldman Environmental Prize 2026 were women. Which of the following represents Asia? Correct answer is option B. Borim Kim. Who received the Women Empowerment Award at the UK House of Commons on International Women's Day 2026? Correct answer is option B. Rituparna Sengupta. Which university won the AIU National Moot Court Competition 2026 held at Integral University? Correct answer is option A. Banaras Hindu University. Which bank received the National Award for Outstanding Performance in SHG Bank Linkage 2024-25? Correct answer is option A. Karnataka Gramin Bank. Who won the Mark Linton History Prize 2026 for the book The Golden Road: How Ancient India Transformed the World? Correct answer is option A. William Dalrymple. Who won the Miss Sikh India 2026 title at an event held in Mumbai? Correct answer is option A. Nishita Yogesh Antarkar. Who won the English Novel category in the Sahitya Akademi Award 2025? Correct answer is option A. Navtej Sarna. Which Indian film won the Best Children's and Family Film Award at BAFTA Awards 2026? Correct answer is option B. Boong. Which airport won the Global 2025 ASQ Award for Best Airport at Arrivals for the second consecutive year? Correct answer is option B, Mangaluru International Airport. Which film won the Best Film Award at the BAFTA Film Awards 2026? Correct answer is option C, One Battle After Another. Which company won the FIPI Award 2025 for Oil and Gas Production Company of the Year? Correct answer is option B, Indian Oil Corporation. Who won the Chang Crandall Humanitarian Award 2026? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Haripriya Arvind and Dr. R. Venkatesh. Who won the Global Teacher Prize 2026? Correct answer is option B, Rubal Nagi. Which organization won the first prize at the Swachhata Pakhwada Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Paradeep Port Authority. Who received the 22nd Upendra Nath Brahma Soldier of Humanity Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Gyalum Ashi Dorji Wangmo Wangchuk. Who won the Crawford Prize 2026? Correct answer is option B, Veerbhadran Ramanathan. At which edition of the Grammy Awards did the Dalai Lama win his first Grammy? Correct answer is option D, 68th. Which book received the Bal Sahitya Puraskar 2025 for Hindi language? Correct answer is option C, Ek Bate Bara. Who has been awarded the Booker Prize 2025 for his novel Flash? Correct answer is option B, David Suzzale. Who won the Song of the Year award at the 68th Grammy Awards? Correct answer is option B, Billie Eilish. Who was awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025 in the sports category? Correct answer is option C, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Which series won the Best Series Critics Award at the Filmfare OTT Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Patal Lok Season 2. Here is the winners list of Filmfare OTT Awards 2025. Who was named PETA India's Person of the Year for 2025? Correct answer is option B, Raveena Tandon. Who was awarded the first ever FIFA Peace Prize in December 2025? Correct answer is option C, Donald Trump. Who was crowned Miss Universe 2025? Correct answer is option A, Fatima Bosch. Which Indian railway station was honored with the National Energy Conservation Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Miana Railway Station, Guna, Madhya Pradesh. Who received the Transformational Leader of the Year award at the NDTV Indian of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jay Shah. Who was named Times CEO of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option C, Neil Mohan. Who from India was honored with the 2025 Champions of the Earth Award by the United Nations? Correct answer is option B, Supriya Sahu. Which bank was named the Global Bank of the Year 2025 by the Banker? Correct answer is option D, DBS Bank. Who became the youngest recipient of the Global Human Society's Animal Welfare Award? Correct answer is option B, Anant Ambani. Which state ranked first in the Best State category at the 6th National Water Awards 2024? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. Who won the Best Actress Award at the Filmfare Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Alia Bhatt. Which Indian city has been recognized as a UNESCO City of Gastronomy in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Lucknow. Who won the 2025 Nobel Prize in Literature? Correct answer is option C, Laszlo Krasznahorkai. Here is the winners list of Nobel Prize 2025. Who became the first Indian to receive the Canton R. Miller Award for Innovation in Sustainable Protected Area Management? Correct answer is option A, Sonali Ghosh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred the Royal Order of the Polar Star Commander Grand Cross during his visit to which country in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Sweden. Which actress was honored with the Golden Globes Horizon Award at the Red Sea International Film Festival 2025? Correct answer is option C, Alia Bhatt. Who was posthumously awarded the Vigyan Ratna in 2025 for lifetime achievement in science? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. Which Indian organization won the Raman Magsaysay Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Educate Girls. Who received the Manohar Parrikar Yuva Scientist Award 2025? Correct answer is option D, Dr. Sai Gautam Gopalakrishnan. Who was honored as a 2025 Top Agri-Food Pioneer by the World Food Prize Foundation? Correct answer is option C, Sanjeev Kapoor. Who was posthumously honored with the P.V. Narasimha Rao Memorial Award 2025 for Economics? Correct answer is option B, Manmohan Singh. Who has been honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award for the year 2023? Correct answer is option C, Mohanlal. Who was awarded the Best Actress Award at the 71st National Film Awards? Correct answer is option A, Rani Mukherjee. Who won the 2025 Ursula K. Le Guin Prize for Fiction? Correct answer is option A, Vajra Chandrasekhara. Who became the first Indian woman to win the title of Mrs. Universe 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sherry Singh. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Who was honored with the 9th MS Swaminathan Award for contributions to climate resilient agriculture? And the question number second is, who won the English novel category in the Sahitya Akademi Award 2025? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.